Welcome to the Standard 5th students. Welcome to chapter 12, Healthy Living. So upon the page 88, what is healthy living? Healthy living through the role of instruments and medicine. Through instrument medicine, the healthy living is possible. Okay, so the development of field of medicine have made it possible for us to live longer and lead a healthier life. By the instruments and medicine, it is possible for us to live longer and healthier life. So, first of all, the thermometer, clinical and digital, both clinical thermometer and a digital thermometer. The both thermometer indicates the temperature of our body, and for this the doctor treats the patient properly. And the stethoscope has invented by Rani Leknek, as it is used by every doctor throughout the world. Stethoscope is using by every doctor, who was invented by Rani Leknek of Germany. Of Germany, Rani Leknek, who has invented the stethoscope throughout the world. It is used by every doctor throughout the world. And Galileo, who has invented microscope. Galileo has invented a microscope which helps the indication of harmful germs, teeny harmful germs, which indicates inside the blood. So then the X-ray machine. X-ray machine were discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. To locate the fracture of our body, fracture inside our body. So X-ray machine. These are the modern equipment, modern instruments. Then modern treatment of medicine like quinine, which has eradicate malaria, and it has come out from the eucalyptus to control the spread of influenza. And the discovery of antibiotic like penicillin, which has discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming. So these are discovered to use as the prevention of deadly diseases. Then the damaged part of our body can easily be replaced by the development of surgery. It has the replacement through surgery, the damaged part. Then prevention of disease. There goes a proverb, prevention is better than cure. Through the development of different vaccine like cholera, polio, cough, tetanus, TB, all are the deadly diseases which was cured by the development of different vaccine. Like corona, the vaccine will come then the disease will disappear. This disease will be disappear. This bacteria will be disappear through vaccine. So all are waiting for the vaccine, corona vaccine. So some prevention of diseases through pasteurization. What is pasteurization? Pasteurization is a technique of killing of germ by treating at high temperature. Treating at high temperature. And who has invented? Invented by Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur has invented the process of pasteurization for the technique of killing of germ by heating at a high temperature. Then John Simpson introduced the use of chloroform. After the pasteurization, then chloroform. Chloroform as medicine by which surgical pain was reduced. Then basic health care. What are the basic health care? We have to obey. Keep surrounding clean. Eat nutritious food. Do some exercise regularly. Drink clean water. Keep the drainage system free from germs, which are the good healthy habits, and these are the basic health care. So all the things we have to obey for the healthy living, because this role of instruments and medicine which are made it possible for us to live longer and healthier life. So this is the healthy habit of healthy living. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.